Hello, this is Takami of Suikosha. I am a Japanese carpenter. Today I will talk about the theme of secret technology. Traditional Japanese skills are kept a secret? A very common question I get asked from foreigners is, do you have to apprentice in Japan to learn these skills? And why are Japanese woodworking journals kept so secretive? From my conclusion, I can say no one is trying to hide these skills, although many of the time the joints are hidden behind walls and ceilings. In Japan, the reality is these journals were assembled into a book and available for public purchase from about 150 years ago. A decent number of in-depth books are available now, diving deep into the tools, journals, and skills. There is no need to apprentice under a master. Then, why do people have this image? There are various reasons, but I believe the biggest reason is the difficulty of explaining what one has learned with the body through years of experience into words, numbers, and drawings. Furthermore, being able to comprehend what is written/drawn is no easy task. In other words, being able to explain and understand the reason and the aim of a certain task is difficult unless it is explained during the process. This creates a very limited environment in which the skills can be passed on. However, explaining the skills and techniques in the form of words, writing, or drawings is difficult, also for the side which is trying to understand it. For this reason, the skill looks like it's wrapped in mystery, making it look as though it's kept a secret. Becoming an apprentice means you are able to see firsthand the skills and techniques being used. Thus, the quickest method of gaining a deep understanding. Even so, what you have to realize is that the act of watching can only be truly effective if you have the various knowledge in your head. I believe if you are simply watching the work with no context, it will take longer than necessary to grasp the reason for the work or the important points. In Japan, people go into apprenticeships with no prior knowledge whatever, therefore taking an unnecessarily long time to become accomplished. I believe this is one of the reasons which gives the impression that becoming an accomplished craftsman in Japan takes a long time. But I wish to share the information as much as I can, allowing more people to use these skills, leading to the skills being developed more, making it even more magnificent. Therefore, my mind is constantly thinking of ways to make it easier to understand, researching different methods of teaching to be able to communicate in the most efficient way possible. That was today's story. I hold a Japanese woodworking school where you can study in English. At this school, you can learn how to adjust tools and how to use them by making a journal. Please look at my bio if you like. I look forward to sharing the wonderful woodworking with you. Have a good day. See you. Hello, this is Takami of Suikosha. I am a Japanese carpenter. I have a Japanese woodworking school where you can learn in English. I accept 4 students each month, so beginners and professionals alike can take classes according to your skill levels. Don't worry. Check the overview for more information, and please subscribe to the channel. Let's enjoy woodworking together.